Hi, my name is Gabriela Gabaldon, and in the last 10 years I'm being a teacher here in the United States. In those 10 years I took students to state and national competitions, winning multiple awards. As a result, as a teacher I receive awards as well as the STEAM Teacher of the Year for 2021 with the Air Force Association. As a parent and a teacher, I realized there are no programs out there that are lower cost but give an environmental impact. So I called my friend Liliana to start EcoRobotik LLC.
And that's our dream. With EcoRobotics, we're teaching through competition and through workshops how to build robots from recyclable materials so the students and the teachers could sharpen their skills and they acquire a new knowledge.
And with your support, we continue developing our programs. We want to teach in person, but also to improve our digital platform to not just reach the students and teachers in the United States, but also across the world.